chili cheese potato volcanoes. I'm gonna start by poking some holes in my russet potatoes, slicing up a jalapeno. We're gonna grate some sharp cheddar cheese and preheat our smoker to cook indirect at 275. Cooking these potatoes for a couple hours until they get nice and softened. Once they're done, pull them off, slice off the edges. We're gonna hollow out the center and make them into a cup, stuffing them with your favorite chili. I'm gonna wrap in bacon and secure with a toothpick, placing back on the smoker at 350 to cook for 30 to 45 minutes until that bacon's nice and crispy. Top off with that shredded cheese. Once that cheese is melted, we're gonna finish off with some sour cream and that sliced jalapeno. This is such a fun way to use leftover chili. Highly recommend it. So freaking delicious. You can find this whole recipe at overthefirecooking.com or linked in bio. Cheers!